up, buddy. Set up now. He's right there. He's right there, right behind gate 4 Alpha. I can't see it in the viewfinder. This is the last LAX flyby of the Space Shuttle Endeavour. As it climbs out, makes the last turn, last loop. Next time by, it's going to land for the last time. It's crazy out here at LAX.
Hey Marco.
Hey Phil, how you doing?
Great, great. This is fun.
Oh, lots of fun, lots of excitement.
Moment, isn't it?
Very historic, yes.
This is unique.
Once ever, not just once in a lifetime, once ever. Yeah, super excited. All right, next time, the real deal, the landing.